words. Did everybody share them with us? Everybody got their word in. So use a word that inspires you through all of this. Just a simple word. That's your word that you, as soon as you wake up in the morning, that's your word that comes to mind. And you do everything in your power to make that word come alive. It's a simple but powerful thing to do. Remember that you have to be your own coach. Here we go, Sebastian. You have to be your own coach during a time such as this. And you have to take ownership and responsibility for your well-being through this. So thank you for that. Look, change comes from different angles. I mean, if we have a look here, change catalysts can come from various places. Let's just get this to keep, it seems to have frozen. I wonder what's frozen. So there we go. So change can come from the external environment, such political, social, technological. Change can hit us in many, many different ways. And you're all entrepreneurs, and you know that change can come from your internal environment and your external environment. So internal environment could be policies, styles, employees' perceptions, and attitudes could also have an impact on you. So Alison, the reason why I'm using you again here is because you spoke about your employees' perceptions and attitude, and that in itself, that brings change to the practice. So as leaders, we need to always be very aware of where change could possibly come from, an external environment or an internal environment. So as a leader, my advice to you would be to develop what is known as the helicopter approach. Because what happens, all entrepreneurs and leaders, we get so caught up in our business that we don't stand back and look at our business as if we were in a helicopter and we're flying over the business. That's what you need to do from time to time. Stand back from your business and analyze your business from the external factors and internal factors. What could have an impact on your business? And if that does happen, what will you do? Because then you are prepared for change. Obviously, this pandemic caught us out of nowhere, but it's always good to think about your business holistically, micro and macro factors. Then when it comes to change, is to change how you see change. And if you mention the word change, many people get very, very anxious. And it's also depending on the generation. So some of you have shared that you've got millennials working for you, or you've got Generation X, that would be people in their late 30s, 40s, early 50s, or you've got boomers, late 50s, 60s. And generations also embrace change differently. So I've got two teenagers. A daughter